Today we will show you the way to factory reset the Flyingvoice phone. For this example, we are going to reset the FIP14G. There are three ways to restore the phone to factory settings. One does not require a password, and the other two require a password. Log into the phone's web interface with its IP address. The default username and the password are admin. Then go to Administration. Under Management section, scroll down the page to the bottom. Find Factory Default. Press Factory Default button. A notification pop up and remind you factory reset the phone will clear all the settings. Click OK to confirm, and then wait for a moment. Another notification pops, and let us reboot the phone to make the settings take effect. Click on Reboot, and then wait until the phone reboots. You can reconfigure the phone. On the phone screen, press Menu. Go to Advanced Settings. Enter the login password. The default password is admin. Then select Reset to Factory Settings. Press OK. The phone screen displays it is resetting. Later, it will reboot automatically. Wait until it finishes. On the keyboard, press pound key, star key, 0, 6, and the pound key. Then wait for a moment. The phone will reset and reboot automatically.